Hello friends, in this video we will explore revolution of airbag technology. According to latest survey, around 1.54 lakh people resulted in death due to road accident. So nowadays airbag is very important safety component to save the life if accident occurs. In this video we'll learn about how airbag used as safety system. So let's begin. So before starting airbag, we will have short introduction about safety systems and different type of safety systems. Now, what is safety system? Safety system is basically used to prevent the driver and passenger from any kind of hazard. The safety system classified into two types: active safety, passive safety. Active safety system work to prevent an accident. This system always stay active while we drive and continuously work to keep you away from getting into accident. So एक्टिव सेफ्टी सिस्टम जो है वो हमेशा काम करता रहता है और एक्सीडेंट ना होने में हमारी मदद करता है. इसके एग्जाम्पल है ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम एक्सेट्रा. Passive safety system will activate during collision to prevent driver and passenger. This system tells what need to do once collision is unavoidable. सो पैसिव सेफ्टी सिस्टम मतलब ऐसे सिस्टम जो हमारी जान बचाते हैं ड्यूरिंग एक्सीडेंट. इसके एग्जांपल्स है एयर बैग, सीट बेल्ट एक्सेट्रा. नाउ व्हाट इज एयर बैग? एयर बैग इज मोर करेक्टिवली नोन एज SRS, supplementary restraint system, or SIR, supplementary inflatable restraint. What is mean by supplementary? Supplementary means airbag is designed to help the seat belt to protect us rather than replacing them. इसका मतलब एयर बैग हमें बचाने में सीट बेल्ट की मदद करता है, ना कि उसको रिप्लेस करता है. सो ओनली रिलाइंग ऑन एयर बैग विदाउट फास्टनिंग अवर सीट बेल्ट इज एक्सट्रीमली डेंजरस. अब रिस्ट्रेंट मतलब क्या होता है? Restraint means if some action happens, what is the opposite reaction for that? In this case, accident happen is the action and airbag deployment is the opposite reaction. Now what is mean by inflatable? Inflatable means filling with the air. अगर आसान शब्दों में कहा जाए, inflatable means फुलाना होता है. Here we will fill the airbag or we will inflate the airbag with the nitrogen gas. Now we will discuss about basic concept behind the airbag. Airbag basically works in these three steps: sensing, processing, and actuation. Various sensors will send input to the processing unit. The different sensors which are used as input are explained in upcoming slides. Now, processing unit will send signal to the actuation module. Finally, actuation module will decide which airbag need to be deployed. All these three steps are very crucial. So, if any little lag or inaccuracy in sensing happen, then airbag will deploy at wrong time and it will become ineffective. बात करें एयरबैग के कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग की तो ये बनता है एक्सेलेरोमीटर, व्हीकल स्पीड सेंसर, गायरोस्कोप, brake pressure sensor, seat occupation sensor, door pressure sensor, all as sensing inputs. Accelerometer, when a car hits something, it start to decelerate very rapidly. So, if accelerometer detects deceleration above a threshold speed which is greater than normal braking speed, it triggers the signal. So, accelerometer basically gives acceleration and deceleration information. Vehicle speed sensor. Vehicle speed sensor detects the speed of the vehicle. Gyroscope. Gyroscope gives vehicle 3D position information and also the information related to vehicle tilt angle. Vehicle tilt angle in which direction का मतलब होता है जो हमारा vehicle है उसका झुकाव कौन से डायरेक्शन में ज्यादा है. Brake pressure sensor. Now, brake pressure sensor gives information about what is the intensity for applied brake. Seat occupation sensor. It tells about the number of passengers seated on the car seats. Door pressure sensor. It detects any pressure on door or any impact collision on door. According to all sensor inputs, ACU airbag control unit identify now crash is going to happen. So ACU sends two signal. One to engine ECU to cut off the power flow from engine to transmission. Second signal goes to airbag module which decides which airbag need to deploy. Now let's discuss about what is inside airbag and how airbag gets deployed. Airbag is made up of nylon fabric. But you know, if nylon kept folded for longer time, the surface will stick to each other. Then in this case, airbag won't deploy at the right time. Solution for that is inside part of airbag is covered with talcum powder or cornstarch so that airbag is lubricated when they are in storage. Now we will discuss about working principle of airbag. Airbag works on the principle of law of motion. According to law of motion, unless an outside force acts on an object, the object continues to move in the same direction with the same speed. So, therefore, airbag prevents us from flying through the windshield or the windows. Airbag is necessary in this case because it will take 30 milliseconds to react to the collision. Now, we'll see how the chemical reaction takes place. Basically, there are three items used: sodium azide, potassium nitrate, silicon dioxide. So, when the electric pulse comes from the ACU to the gas generator module, the temperature on sodium azide is built up to the 300 degrees Celsius. Once temperature raised up to 300 degrees Celsius on sodium azide, then it started releasing nitrogen gas. Remaining sodium metal takes reaction with potassium nitrate and again gives more number of nitrogen. In the final reaction, remaining potassium metal and sodium metal reacts with silicon dioxide and forms alkaline silicate glass. So, based on above three chemical reactions, we will get 3 times nitrogen, which help to inflate the airbag. You may think why nitrogen is used in airbag. The reason why other atmospheric gases are not used is oxygen have high risk of fire. Carbon dioxide can have more chances of suffocation. Other gases like helium, neon, methane, krypton are very expensive to use in every car. There are three basic reasons why nitrogen is used in this car. One is nitrogen is inert gas, so not harmful to the person sitting inside the car. Second is only 130 gram of sodium azide will give 67 liters of nitrogen, which will be more than sufficient to fill the airbag. And also sodium azide is a faster reactant and it only requires 300 degrees Celsius temperature to release the nitrogen. Finally, there will be three purposes of airbag. First is inflation, which means filling the airbag with nitrogen. Second is providing cushioning for the person sitting inside the car. And last is releasing the air so that passenger and driver won't feel suffocation. After airbag deployment, what things need to be reset or replaced? First is airbag sensors need to be replaced along with the airbags. Various electronic systems need to be resetted. Clock spring should be replaced after steering wheel airbag deployment. It's true that airbag technology becoming increasingly complex, but we know our list of airbags shines light on the topic of passenger safety. So in the next video, we will explore different application of airbags and their working principle. Wait, where you are going? There is one question for all of you. What do you think how many airbags a model car is having? Drop your answer in comment section. If you liked the video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for latest update. Thanks for watching.